Motorola has just officially launched the Moto G34 5G in India. This device was previously unveiled in China, but with this launch, it has just made its official debut in the global market. Let me tell you about its specifications below. The design is obviously very Motorola-esque. Although it seems that this year the camera module gains a bit of curved or slightly rounded lines. It is available in ice blue, charcoal black, and ocean green colors. The latter comes with a synthetic leather finish, which is a finish that Motorola is becoming increasingly popular. In addition, it has IP52 certification, as do many Motorola models, although in some countries it is curious that Motorola does not advertise this certification. But in general, we could say that almost all smartphones in the world are splash resistant, and just Motorola, what it does is perhaps pay certification in certain regions and in other regions not. The screen is 6.5 inches with HD Plus resolution only, but 120 Hz in its refresh rate. So we are looking at a display that is very simple in terms of resolution. However, it is clear that it is a mid-range device when we see that the processor is the Snapdragon 695, a considerably powerful processor and with support for 5G networks. It has only two cameras on the back, the main one being 50 megapixels and the secondary one just a 2 megapixel macro camera, which from my point of view is useless. For selfies, we will have 16 megapixels, which is a resolution that Motorola usually uses a lot, although it is highly likely that in automatic mode the photos will be 4 megapixels thanks to the pixel binding that Motorola does practically at all times. And again, very Motorola style, it comes with stereo sound, which will be one of its strongest points, plus it does have headphone jack and slot for micro SD cards. But something that is very curious is that the version that has 8 GB of RAM also has Ready For, a feature that Motorola used to reserve only for its Edge series, which is its high-end series, but it seems that more and more G-series devices are also beginning to integrate it. Finally, its battery is 5000 milliamps and supports 18 watts charging, and obviously the charger does come included in the box. In the storage, we will only find 128 gigabytes, but in the RAM memory there will be two versions, the basic one of 4 gigabytes and the higher one of 8 gigabytes. The price of the base version is 10,999 rupees. This is approximately $130. Now we will have to wait a little longer for this device to be launched in more regions to know its prices adapted to different countries.